Hello, my name is Mishikka Chaurasia and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. So guys, आज संडे है और मैंने अपने योगा क्लासेस कंप्लीट किया है. तो अभी मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि मैं अपना दिन की शुरुआत कैसे करती हूँ संडे के दिन. फिलहाल तो मैं दरिया किनारे हवा ले रही हूँ, मज़े ले रही हूँ नेचर का, मौसम का, मुंबई का. I want to know what I do on my Sundays, like how do I spend my Sunday, what do I do, what do I eat. So here we gonna show you. Such a beautiful city, dream city you can say. People dream about about this city to live here, and I'm so blessed that my manifestation had become true. मैं अपने चाइल्डहुड में सोचती थी कि मुझे मुंबई जाना है और मैं इधर हूँ आज. थैंक यू. सो गाइस, जैसे कि मैंने बताया आज संडे है तो मैं थोड़ा अपने लिए टाइम स्पेंड करूंगी आज, और वो ये रहेगा कि मैं खुद के लिए कुक करूंगी. द पीपल हु नो मी दे नो दैट आई डोंट कुक, बट टुडे आई विल बी द शेफ. सो टुडे आई विल बी कुकिंग माय फेवरेट फूड एंड दैट विल रिवील वेरी सून कि मैं क्या खाती हूँ अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में टू मेंटेन माई सेल्फ. So I'm chopping the onion. You can see how finely I chop the onion. So this is me. I usually don't do it, but you can see the chop of onion. This is called. So now I'm cutting the bell peppers. So all of you know I eat only healthy and nutritious food. So you will know what is it. My signature dish. mushroom. So I have chopped everything. Now I'm gonna cook, and you will know my signature recipe. मैं दाल का चौक लगा रही हूँ, and I'm gonna put your red chilies, लाल मिर्ची, and then the jeera, cumin seeds, plus the fine chopped onion. Happy Sunday. The people who know me, they're gonna be in real shock with what I'm doing in kitchen. But yes, sometimes I love to do this, but that day comes very rare, and today is the day. So this is cooking in a ghee, the desi ghee, cow ghee. I only prefer cow ghee or a olive oil, and sesame oil also. So this is ghee. So this is garlic and ginger for the taste and for the health also. It's very essential to have garlic and ginger on your daily basis. It keeps your heart rate control and keeps you young. Adds good thing to in your food for the good digestion. So here I have green chilies plus tomatoes. For the better taste, these are the necessary ingredients in your food. So I use Everest Kashmiri red chili powder. This is very good just for the, to look the good color in the dal. Otherwise it's not chili. That is why it is called Kashmiri red chili. So I'm pouring the dal. So I'm squeezing some lemon just to get the right taste. Just a little bit. So this is tur dal, very healthy, very nutritious, like full of protein. This is one of the dish what I eat every day. Sometimes this dal, sometimes moong dal, but it has to have a dal in my meal. I'm preparing my next dish, again healthy. This is mushroom. I'm gonna saute this just to get the right taste. Actually, I made a blunder. मैंने तेल डालते ही इसको डाल दिया, गरम नहीं हुआ. Sometimes, कुछ अपने आप गिर जाता है and then you get scared. That's okay. हाँ, it's a task to be in kitchen and जो लोग ये काम करते हैं, I really salute them. All the homemakers, a big shout out to them. So guys, this is done. Taking out and releasing all the extra oil so that it should not have extra amount of the oil in the vegetable. Chalo. So I'm putting again cumin seed. Then the fine chopped onions. Rich in potassium. Very important for your bones. Very important for your digestion. If you eat raw, then it gives you a good fiber. To make good food, it takes time. अगर आप जल्दबाजी में बनाओगे बन तो जाएगा, खा भी लोगे, but your soul will not be satisfied. So I prefer कि जो भी चीज करो शिद्दत से करो वरना ना करो. Half-hearted, you won't get the result. So I'm putting fine chopped ginger and garlic paste. Okay. For the taste, for the health, again. It's important. You should know what is the right thing to eat every day, not just eating and just hogging everything every time, giving stress to your stomach. It's not a right thing to do. Jaan hai to jahan hai. I'm putting tomatoes, जिसके बिना कोई टेस्ट नहीं आता है किसी भी चीज में. This is called Indian spices, जो पूरी दुनिया में इसको कोई बीट नहीं कर सकता है. ये आयुर्वेदिक है, हेल्दी है, न्यूट्रिशियस है एंड एवरीडे यूज की चीज़ें हैं जो सभी लोग खाते हैं. एंड इंडिया जैसे खाना जैसा कहीं दुनिया में टेस्ट नहीं मिलता आपको, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस स्पाइसेस. So this is turmeric powder, haldi, salt, नमक के बिना आप कुछ भी बना लो, कोई टेस्ट नहीं। Soya chunks, very important for your hair, skin, which has got protein in it. So जो लोग vegetarian होते हैं like me, we go for this kind of stuff which has protein like paneer, soya, you know. Now I'm going to put saute mushroom, what we did in the first. अभी उसका नंबर आ चुका है। So this is getting cooked and it looks yummy, delicious. वो हम बाद में आपको बताएंगे खाते हुए, because I'm gonna eat everything. So this is the garam masala I'm putting. This should be the this should be this quantity only. And the red chili powder. This is kitchen king masala. I'm putting now the coriander powder, the dhania powder. I'm so happy and glad about this that I was born in India, so that we can have all the spices जो हमारे immune system को right and tight रखता है. That is why we don't fall sick so easily. If we fall also, all these spices help us to regrow whatever is lacking. Like you know, हमारे immune system को uptight कर देता है. So these are capsicum, bell pepper, yellow and red. My signature dish is going to be ready very soon. I'm putting all the finely chopped square paneer. I can't do it fast because this paneer is super soft. This is the only paneer which I can eat is Punjab side. No other paneer I can eat. And preferably I don't like it also. This is the best. Punjab Sindh rocks. So my signature dish is ready. You can see it looks yummy. I just can't wait to eat this. Go to salad on everyday basis, whether I'm in shoot, whether I'm at home, और अगर मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मिलता तो मैं सैलेड खा के भी रह जाती हूँ. I'll just put some chaat masala for the taste and for the digestion. It's very good. Plus a little bit of black pepper, just little salt. To mix this with the lemon. My kudu salad is ready. होता है जब आप कभी कभी किचन में काम करते हो तो दिस हैपेंस वेरी नेचुरल. कोई मुझे देख के कुकिंग शुरू कर दे और ऐसा हो तो दिस टेक टाइम. So this is my nachni roti, ragi roti. I eat every day, एंड मुझे काफ़ी टाइम से आप लोग सब पूछ रहे थे कि मैं क्या खाती हूँ। मुझे काफ़ी मैसेजेस, काफ़ी डीएम्स आते हैं कि मैं क्या खाती हूँ, मेरा डेली रूटीन क्या है, मेरा एवरीडे गो टू फूड क्या है। सो टुडे आई हैव रिवील एवरीथिंग कि मैं क्या खाती हूँ एंड आप लोग सबको भी क्या खाना चाहिए टू बी फिट, to be tight, to be uptight, you can say. This is my roti and my roti is ready. This is the dal made by me. I'm gonna taste it and gonna rate it. हम दूसरों का खाना रेट करने में तो बहुत माहिर हैं, खुद का भी करना आना चाहिए ना कि हाउ गुड हाउ बैड आई मेड दिस। Indian Sanskriti taught by my mother because अगर आप इस फूड के लिए गॉड को धन्यवाद नहीं देते हो तो आप किस चीज़ के पीछे भाग रहे हो ज़िंदगी में। तो दिस इज़ द थिंग विच यू ऑल आर रनिंग फॉर। तो बचपन से आदत है पहले से कि भगवान को पहले आप थैंक यू बोलो फॉर दिस फूड, गिव्स यू स्ट्रेंथ, गिव्स यू पॉजिटिविटी। एंड आप जिस इंटेंशन से फूड बनाते हो ना वो सेम एनर्जी आपके अंदर जाती है। तो ऑलवेज हैव अ गुड इंटेंट, ऑलवेज बी पॉजिटिव अबाउट इट व्हेन यू कुक, अदरवाइज इट अफेक्ट्स योर माइंड, अफेक्ट्स योर सोल, व्हिच इज नॉट नाइस। So this is my first bite I'm gonna take with my ragi roti and full of protein. And just taste it. It's amazing. It's really amazing. So this is ragi. I eat every day because you know this has got a very good iron in it, and as we girls we require a very good iron in our body. Folic acid, very important, gives you magnesium which helps you to align your system, helps you to control your gut and gives you good sleep. So this is very important. Then I'll come to my vegetable. It has got paneer, it has got mushroom and the soya chunks, bell peppers. So protein has got very good, paneer has got very good protein in it. Soya bean again has got very good protein, very good amount of protein in it, and plus mushroom, it has got vitamin C and the magnesium. Bell pepper gives you good magnesium, good potassium and all the vitamin C, which gives you a good immune system जब आप easily fall sick होते हो and all that. So this is a thing you should go for it. Bell pepper, red, yellow or either the green one. So these are the good food to have every day so that आपका immune system control रहेगा. You will not fall sick so often, and if you fall sick, the repair will be faster than the normal, and you don't have to go to doctor. No medicine. Important. You should not be losing out your kidney and liver. So this is about this. Now I'm gonna taste my dal. This is tur dal, Indians, all kids' favorite dal. This is also very nice. Amazing. I can't believe this. मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं रेस्टोरेंट का खाना खा रही हूँ. It's not that I'm self-boosting, that I cooked it, that's what I'm saying, but I honestly swear to God this is awesome. मुझे लग नहीं रहा है कि मैं घर पे बनाया हुआ, वो भी मेरे हाथों. ऐसे मेरी मम्मा कहती थी, मैंने बचपन में शायद कुछ कभी बनाया होगा, but she said to me in my childhood कि जो भी तुम बनाती, whether it is a chai also, वो बहुत अच्छी बन जाती है. And I just make it, I just make it. I don't have some kind of recipe. It's just that I believe in one thing: when you cook, you should know the right temperature. The cooking is not about the putting masala and too much oil. The right temperature is the key for cooking. This is what I know, and I think the dal is very good. I'm gonna rate this. So this I would rate like अच्छे बने हैं. मैं कम कैसे बोलूँ? Out of 10 I can say 8.5, 9. इससे better भी बन सकते because I am not the best one. So that is why. For this vegetable, I would rate 9, 9.5 because this is what I love and it has been cooked really well. Dal 10 on 10. It's actually yummy. Now let's come on my salad, the garden green salad. So here what happened, I just squeezed the lemon and little bit of salt and black pepper, but the point is I had put the right amount, so this has come out really well. This is really so good. I wish I have time every day and I can make it because I'm not fussy about the food. This I can literally eat every day, and I think in a week's time, 2-3 times, this is my signature and go-to dish. खाते हुए बात नहीं करना चाहिए, but my manager rocks as always. Now my final dal rice, my favorite. I remember something. मैं बचपन में सिर्फ दाल चावल खाती थी और रोटी तो I used to hate. Literally मुझे याद भी नहीं मैंने बचपन में कभी रोटी खाई होगी. Only dal चावल, and that too this dal, not moong dal. That is green dal, no. So now 2 things left. This is important. Just people who have sweet tooth, I don't go for sugar. I go for jaggery or dates. So this is full of dry fruits, which gives you minerals, vitamins, protein, and very important thing I would like to tell you all is that I am not that supplement what goes in the market for the protein. I'm not into that. I take these kind of food I make at home, like with the dry fruits, all sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds and all that. Roast that and grind it in a very very fine powder. I take in a single spoon every day with water because I'm lactose intolerant, so I am not into milk product, but I can have lassi. And paneer also I can have, but that is only Punjab's. Otherwise, my stomach goes for a toss. This is real insight I'm giving you. No filter at all. And this you can restore. Sorry. So this you can store for 40-45 days. It is safe to have. I keep it in my shoot bags also. When I feel just a little tired or something like that, I'll just eat this. No protein bar. This is my protein bar, real protein bar, made at home. Last thing is my lassi. Very good for your gut, very good for your digestion, rich in calcium. One must have every day, and if you can have it empty stomach, it's gonna be great. But at least after food also it's fine, but once in a day. Oh, घर की बनी हुई हर चीज अच्छी है. Happy food, happy mood. Oh, hi. So after a good meal, I just fell asleep. I just woke up now, and then I'm gonna have my green tea. That's my usual routine during the evening. It should be hot enough. So if you guys are wondering, this was plain water, so the tea was inside the leaves. You can see it's the green tea. So guys, मेरा ये favorite corner है in my house cause this has some cosmic energy. I'll give you the reason. I'm facing north, sitting in the south side. So when you face north, you attract the positive energy. So when I want to think about something or if I'm tired, I want to attract a positive energy, this is the corner where I sit. मैं सो के भी उठी हूँ तो मुझे लगा कि थोड़ी देर शांत माहौल में बैठना है, आराम से बैठना है, अपने बारे में सोचना, आगे की प्लानिंग करनी है, आगे के बारे में there are many things in plate, but you need to decide which one to go for or which one to just decline. So this is the place I always sit and I always talk to myself. This is that corner in my house. As you know that I'm health conscious, so my evening snacks can be like makhana or this chana, because this is very good for fiber, very good for your digestion, and yeah, it gives you a lot of strength in your body. Ghoda kya khata hai? Chana, right? This is that chana and my green tea. I had very yummy food, as you all know, and after that I went for a sleep. It was a really really good sleep because of the good food, I can say. जब तक आप अच्छा खाना नहीं खाते हो, you don't feel satisfied. ऐसा incomplete सा कुछ लगता है. I'm not saying कि go out and eat your like fancy food. Cook at home. अपने हिसाब से बनाओ, जो पसंद है वो बनाओ, and like fulfill your soul. This is what I can say.
Okay. Hi Mishikka.
Hi.
So can you please take your phone for some time?
What?
Just take it now, please. We have a request.
Whom to call?
You don't have to call anybody. Just trust us.
Okay. Okay.
And
yes.
can you please open your Instagram for the same?
Sounds.
So we have a game for you.
Okay.
As you know that, and we all know that you don't have a lot of time on your hands and like you are busy running around there. तो आज आप हमें मिली हो पूरे शिद्दत के साथ. So we want to play a small game with you where we will ask you a few questions about your Instagram post and you have to answer it honestly.
Okay.
Honest तो आप हो ही, उसमें no doubt. But
Yeah. Okay.
So can we like start?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. So as we can see, your very first photo that is pinned is of Victoria's Secret, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
So would you like to tell us about your experience and how did you like end up getting Victoria's Secret? Like it is every girl's dream to be a part of Victoria's Secret.
Yeah, so I can just say I feel super blessed about this as I'm the first face in India to be part of Victoria's Secret. Uh, it is nothing less than a blessing क्योंकि सारी दुनिया इसके पीछे भागती है और जब ये मुझे ऑफर आया था ये मुझे सामने से आया था तो इन अ वे इट वाज अ ब्लेसिंग इन अ वे इट इज़ अ गॉड्स intervention and I'm grateful for that, grateful for the team who has done the tremendous job and of course to the Lord also.
Okay, so your other post says that you received an award from Midday for iconic actress, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
So how is that feeling? How are you feeling about it?
Of course, like there's a long way to go, but this is just a start. I have got an iconic actress award. I felt super overwhelmed about it, but I am still not there where I have a vision for. So I am still thankful for this.
Okay, so we can see that you recently did a Nawari Sari photo shoot, and
Yeah.
we have not seen you in that look. Like, हमने कभी आपको देखा नहीं. So, what was the idea behind it, or is there any story behind it, and why would you choose to do that?
Yeah, so I keep Ganpati as you all know every year. Like this year was the 6th year by grace of God. And I live in Mumbai and यहाँ का culture है like Maharashtrian sari. So I really wanted to do a Maharashtrian sari. I never worn it. Luckily, I had a designer. I have a stylist who's very good in this. So she recommended, ma'am, this time let's go with Nawari sari. And I just trusted her and she did a fantastic job. I am thankful to her.
Okay.
And I was super happy after seeing whosoever had seen these pictures. They are like, you look like a royal princess, you look like a Marathi princess and all that. I've got this kind of compliment.
तो अगर आपको कभी फ्यूचर में महाराष्ट्रियन मूवी मिली, मराठी इंडस्ट्री में से मूवी मिली तो आप करोगे?
Cause मैं महाराष्ट्र में रहती हूँ, मैं हर लैंग्वेज में काम करूँगी, काम होता है.
Okay, so we see that recently you did an interview with the renowned journalist Unfiltered sir. How was your experience?
Amazing, he is fantastic and I would say कि बहुत ही कम ऐसे जर्नलिस्ट होते हैं जो आपसे इतने अच्छे से, इतने खुल के और इतनी तहजीब से बात करते हैं. मतलब आई वुड नॉट से कि दूसरे लोग नहीं करते, बट इनके साथ मेरा पहले भी एक्सपीरियंस रह चुका है. एंड इतना शांत दिमाग, इतना मतलब तसल्ली और इतना वही से ठहराव के साथ बात करते हैं. उनकी बातों में इतनी डेप्थ है. यू लर्न अ लॉट व्हेन यू गो फॉर एन इंटरव्यू. यू आर गोइंग फॉर योरसेल्फ टू गिव एन आंसर, पर आपको वहाँ से बहुत सारे आंसर्स मिलते हैं जो यू शुड अप्लाई इन योर डे टू डे लाइफ.
So we have seen you visiting a lot of temples, and
Yes.
like I feel you are one of the rare actresses in the industry who has been posting a temple visit. Like वरना ऐसे usually तो पैक्स के थ्रू पता चलता है actor actresses temple जाते हैं. No offense. So would you like to like say something about it? Like why is it that you आपको चाहिए रहता तो आप story पे भी डाल सकते. Why do you post it on your social media?
So as a person, I'm very religious. At the same time, I'm spiritual. So these two things are very different. Don't combine this. Religious is very different and spiritual is very different. So मैं temples जाती हूँ क्योंकि वहाँ पे energies बहुत अच्छी होती है. And when you go to temple personally, you gather the energy and you bring that in your house. And for your day-to-day life of your further life, you require the positive and good and God's blessings. And मेरा अपना God के साथ direct connection है, you know, to be honest. So yeah, and posting is like something. I'm an actress. What I'm doing, you know, my fans should know. So I'm being real. There's nothing, no filter at all. I just tell whatever I'm doing, where am I, and people should know ना that if she's believing, and अगर किसी को विश्वास नहीं भी है तो try करके देखो, क्यों नहीं. मुझे लगता है भगवान के बिना पत्ता भी नहीं हिलता है. और तो बस.
Okay, so we have one last question for you. Out of all your looks that you have on social media, which style you prefer the most? Is it Western or Indian?
Indian.
Why so?
फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. I'm SRK's fan. So no, yeah, let's come to the point. I prefer Indian clothes like lehenga, all this Indian jewelry, like very fancy, very attractive. You know, it gives you that feminine vibe so easily. But I like Western also, and depends where you're going. But if you ask me like personal thing, I like Indian clothes, Indian jewelry.
Okay, so which is your favorite Indian look photo shoot till date?
There are many, but if you ask me, let me just scroll down. There are many. How can I just say that one? You really want to know one or
Top three.
top three? Okay, so this is the one. And then I really like is one more you want to know. Wow.
Okay. Something different.
Yeah. So top three actually. Now don't ask me more. Let me enjoy my tea.
Okay, thank you so much. We will not waste any of your more me time.
No, that's alright. You're being so sweet. I love you. Hi, thank you so much for watching me on my YouTube channel with a day with Mishikka. And if you like my channel and if you like my video, just like, subscribe and describe a little bit what you like in that. Thank you.